Why is Erin go Bragh a St. Patrick's Day phrase? Imagine walking through a lively Irish festival, with music, dancing, and colorful banners waving in the breeze. One phrase you might see everywhere is Erin go Bragh. But what does it really mean, and why is it so connected to St. Patrick's Day? Well, Erin go Bragh is an English version of the Irish Gaelic phrase Erin go Bragh. It translates to Ireland forever. This phrase has been used for centuries to show loyalty and pride in Ireland. It became a rallying cry during times when Irish independence and cultural identity were under threat. When Irish people faced political struggles or social upheaval, they used Erin go Bragh to express their unwavering support for their homeland. Over time, this phrase was anglicized into Erin go Bragh to make it easier for English speakers to say. During St. Patrick's Day, which celebrates Ireland's patron saint and Irish heritage, Erin go Bragh takes center stage. It captures the spirit of pride and unity that the holiday represents. You will often see it on banners, clothing, and decorations during parades and festivals. It's a way for Irish communities worldwide to honor their roots and celebrate their culture. When you visit Ireland during St. Patrick's Day, you might notice Erin go Bragh displayed prominently at cultural events, in pubs, and on souvenirs. It reminds everyone of Ireland's rich history and the strong bond between Irish people and their diaspora. The phrase also appears in songs, dances, and folklore, emphasizing the deep connection to Irish arts and traditions. So, in simple words, Erin go Bragh is more than just a phrase. It's a symbol of Irish pride, resilience, and love for the homeland. That's why it's become such a popular and meaningful expression during St. Patrick's Day celebrations around the world.